Hello everyone, welcome back to FXSTB. I hope you all watched our previous videos and already signed up to FXSTB and subscribed to plans. So now you're ready with broker integration too. What's our next step? Yes, we need to automate our signals using FXSTB to execute trades in your broker account. Do you already have a strategy? Do you want to automate that strategy from TradingView? It's very easy with FXSTB. For that, log into FXSTB. On the top, you can see Automation tab. Click on it. Now you can see the automation page. You will find many automation options in this page. We provide wide varieties of automation possibilities. Here, you can automate your buy signals, sell signals, or both buy and sell signals. Also, you can use close signals to close active trade and to enter into new trade without modifying next buy or sell signals. Before going into detailed explanation, I will tell you the basic working principle. Here on the top, you can see TradingView Webhook URL. This URL is the link that connects your TradingView account with FXSTB to send signal for automation. Second most important thing is the JSON file. JSON file is a symbol data file to store and transfer trading related information between TradingView and FXSTB. Now let us see how we can create JSON files for your strategy. As I explained earlier, there are multiple trading setups to fulfill your trading needs. Let's check it by creating a sample JSON file for better understanding. Here, I am going to create it for sell signals. So, select Sell option here. You can choose any of these options based on your trading requirement. And here, you give the strategy a name. I am going to give a name Testing 1. Next, you can mention your trading capital requirement. For example, I give 50K. Next one is the option to select in which trading instrument you want to trade. All major forex instruments are available here in the drop-down. Today, I am going to choose gold for trading. Now, we need to choose the quantity you want to trade. Here, I am choosing 2 units. In the case of currency pairs, you need to choose bigger quantity for more profit. Next, as you can see, you have option to set your stop loss, profit and trailing stop loss. Stop loss is the maximum loss you can afford. When the trade goes in opposite side against your expectation, in order to save your trading capital, you need to put your stop loss. Similar way, you can add your target profit value here in profit area. Trailing stop loss is used to protect the profit that you already earned when the market goes in undesired direction. The TSL value also moves up with the profit when it goes up and locks the value where it is already reached. So, even if the profit goes down, TSL remains the same and automatically trade exit when the profit hits the TSL value. All these values are not in dollars. You need to enter pips values. So, before setting it, check and find pip value equivalent to your risk reward. Also, it is not mandatory to add all these values. All these are meant for safe trading. Here, for example, I am adding some random values. FXSTB gives an additional feature for choosing quantity. Here, if you select fixed option, the quantity you mention will be considered for automation. The second option is signal decide. In this case, quantity we defined in TradingView will be used for the automation. Now you can see a preview of your JSON file here. Just below that, you can see a toggle button for visibility. If you enable the button, the strategy you are building will be open and available for all other clients using FXSTB. If they want, they can deploy it from their account for trading. If the button is disabled, the strategy is only for you. Before deploying the strategy, don't forget to copy the JSON message you need to paste it in your TradingView alert signal. Are you confused with alert setup in TradingView? Step-by-step process is explained here. Open TradingView and please follow it to complete the setup. Still confused? I will show you the process. First, I will show you how to create a strategy using ChatGPT. For that, open ChatGPT and type create a EMA strategy using Pine code. Now, ChatGPT create a Pine code for you. Wait to complete it. Now copy that code and open your TradingView account. Now choose the Pine script editor on the right side. From there, select the option for Create New Strategy. Paste the code that we copied from ChatGPT and rename the script. Then save, then add it to the chart. Now your strategy is added in the chart. Click on the three dot here in the strategy name. Select Add Alert option. Now, in the new window, select Message tab and paste the JSON message that we copied from FXSTB Automation tab. And you can name that alert. Now come back to the Setting tab and you can choose Required Time Frame for the strategy from the drop down. Also, please select Required Expiry for the alert from here. Now go to the Notification tab. Paste the webhook URL copied from FXSTB in this place and give Create Alert. Now you can see alerts here. Now let's go back to FXSTB and click on Deploy to the Marketplace to deploy the strategy for automation. Now your strategy is deployed in Marketplace. Then click on the Marketplace tab on the top. So here you can see the strategy you deployed. By clicking on this public button, you can make this strategy available to other users of FXSTB. Then this strategy will move from your strategy list to the public strategy area. Here in Explore All page, all public strategies are listed. If you want to remove your public strategy from public, click here on Private Switch. Now it is removed from public place and moved to your strategies area. From here, you can deploy your strategy to broker. Click on Deploy. Now new pop-up will open. Select your broker account in which trade to be executed. Now click on Deploy Now. Now you can see the strategy is deployed. Once you deploy it, you can see Deployed Strategies in My Vault tab. Click on it on the top. All your deployed strategies are displayed here. You can find all details related to your strategy here, including quantity, realized profit and loss, live profit and loss, and all the parameters like SL, TSL, and so on, which you defined at the time of strategy creation. You can temporarily pause the strategy from here and can resume the strategy whenever you want. Also, if you want to undeploy any strategy, you can do it from here. On the top, here you can see net profit and loss you earned so far from all strategies deployed. Also, if any active trade running, that will be shown here. Now, click on Orders tab. You can see all the orders placed to the broker from FXSTB with their execution status, strategy, time, quantity, etc. Below the Orders tab, you can see the Console button. Click on it. Now you can see new page to track your profit and loss daily, monthly, or in any period of time. You can filter results based on the strategy, broker, time period, etc. If you place the mouse pointer in any date, you can see the profit on that day. Also, in the strategy card, if you click on History button, you can see complete history of that strategy. You can see your earnings, trading instruments, traded values, type of trade, time, etc. Now let's check Terminal tab on the top. Click on it. In this new page, you can see all your linked accounts here. Here you can see only one account. If you linked multiple brokers and multiple accounts with FXSTB, all those accounts will appear here. Now I am selecting this particular account. The new page will show all details related to that account. On the top, you can see account balance, NAV value. If any live trade is running, you can see unrealized P&L, total margin used for the live trade, and total P&L so far for this account. Here you can see all the live open trade running in this account. Here one trade is open, as you can see. By clicking on this close button, you can close open trade in broker from FXSTB. FXSTB provides an additional feature to do manual trading from FXSTB directly to broker without opening broker account. For that, you can choose trading instrument from Trade Control tab. Then choose quantity. Then you can buy or sell directly from here. Once the trade is open, it will appear in the open trade area. If you want to close that open trade, click on the close button here. Now you are ready with all process for trading automation. You can start with automating your strategy and you can earn money effortlessly even while you are work or sleep. Isn't it fun? Stay tuned for new videos and new features of FXSTB. See you soon.